Attention.
Good morning, children. Let's go. Ya kundendu tusharahara dhabala, ya shudravastravruta, ya veenavara manditadara, ya shveta padmasana, ya brahmachyuta shankara prakritihi, devai sada pujita, samam padu saraswati bhagavati, nishesha jadyapaha. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Tvameva Mata cha Pita Tvameva Bandhuscha Sakha Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva.
दया कर दान भक्ति का हमें परमात्मा देना, दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना, हमारे ध्यान में आओ प्रभु आंखों में बस जाओ, अंधेरे दिल में आकर के परम ज्योति जगा देना, बहा दो प्रेम की गंगा दिलों में प्रेम का सागर, हमें आपस में मिलजुल कर प्रभु रहना सिखा देना, दया कर दान भक्ति का हमें परमात्मा देना, दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना.
Group, connect please. Black group, next chart.
Left turn.
Salute. Order. Group, connect please. Group, attention. Group, connect please. Thank you.
Republic Day wishes and a very happy morning to everyone assembled here. Republic Day celebrations in Vidya Mandir, along with the investiture ceremony, is a great event that all of us, staff, students, especially the prefects and their parents, look forward to every year. Due to the pandemic interruption this year, the program has taken a different form. We have kept the basic not to be disturbed aspects and we had to drop certain others. In fact, the Republic Day parade in our capital today is also happening in a different format, without a chief guest, without motorcycle stunts which we all used to look forward to, and even the number of tableau floats and the spectators have been reduced in number. My message today is going to be based on these interruptions. Interruptions are challenges to our day. Some are worth taking notice and following through to see where they lead us. Others are reminders that we get back to what we were doing before the interruption very quickly. The ideal example is your speed breaker or your traffic signal when you are moving in the road. They are interruptions which make you take a warning and keep you safe. Whereas a bumper to bumper traffic for 2 hours, that interruption will make all of us go crazy and we will want to go back to the point where we started before you even think of moving towards the end of the journey. Most timeless stories involve an interruption. A hero always has an interruption, okay, which is going to be a challenge for him to cross through. Without interruption, there won't be memorable stories at all today. Rama was to be coronated when his life was rudely interrupted by the 3 boons of Kaikeyi. Wasn't Bruce Wayne enjoying his privileged life when he lost his parents to violence and interruption in his life? Cinderella was contentedly sweeping the earth until she was accosted by a fairy godmother. Without interruption, we don't have these stories at all and we won't know how they adapted to the change in their lives and their roles. We would never have a Rama-Ravana encounter at all. Possibly the Batman will have no role in guarding the dark streets of Gotham, while Cinderella will still have a sooty face and keep cleaning the earth. So, interruptions are important. If we weren't interrupted, we will lead an undisturbed, possibly a boring life. Our days will form a continuous stream of whatever we choose. Our thoughts, occupations, connections will unfold totally unchallenged. Let us look at this story. A man who was employed for 15 years in a bookshop was interrupted because the business was closing down. So, he studied for a couple of years, worked 2 menial jobs and struggled hard. Finally, it landed him in a challenging and fulfilling job of an editor. He says, I look back at that disruption of my life with gratitude, although at that time I found it very daunting. Interruptions stop us momentarily and force us to re-evaluate what we are doing. They raise very important questions. Shall I leave my right to be the king and go to the forest, or disobey my father for the first time? Shall I stop running from my enemies? Shall I put aside my broom and take a chance in life? Shall I pursue a course of study and begin a new career instead of what I am doing now? Interruptions highlight what we want to let go of and what we want to continue to concentrate on. I quote a small poem titled Interruptions by William Arthur Ward. Interruptions can be viewed as sources of irritation or opportunities for service, as moments lost or as experience gained, as time wasted or horizons widened. They can annoy us or enrich us, get under our skin or give us a shot in the arm, monopolize our minutes or spice up our schedules, depending on our attitude towards them. Any interruption happening in a normal life routine makes different people react differently. To the pessimist, interruptions are barriers, impending imaginary perils, and future full of futility and fear. To the optimist, the obstacles are challenges, roadblocks are inspirations, and problems are invitations to achievement. The doormat to a pessimist is a welcome mat for an optimist. So decide which route you want to take and enjoy your life from now on to the new normal. Hope you all enjoy the program compiled by the rest of our VMIs. Stay healthy and safe. Thank you very much. And once again, Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.
देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। 26th January 1950 honors the date on which India officially adopted its constitution, specially framed for its citizens. It took almost 2 years, 11 months, 18 days for B.R. Ambedkar and the drafting committee to draft our constitution. ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, ऐ मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान.
We have the longest written constitution in the world. There are 2 copies of our constitution, one in English and one in Hindi. Both copies of our constitution are handwritten. The original copies of the constitution are preserved in helium-filled caskets at the Library of Parliament House.
Jana Gana Man, the national anthem, was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 24th January 1950.
The Republic Day is a 3-day affair which ends on 29th of January with the beating retreat ceremony. कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं.
Republic Day celebrations kickstart with the unfurling of the national flag. A 21-gun salute is given to the national flag and the president during the flag hoisting ceremony.
The Republic Day parade is organized at New Delhi by the Ministry of Defence. Commencing from the gates of Rashtrapati Bhavan, Rai Sena Hill on Rajpath, past the India Gates. This event is the main attraction of the Republic Day celebrations. The parade showcases India's defence capabilities, cultural and social heritage.
12 different regiments of the Indian Army, in addition to the Navy and the Air Force, with their bands, march past in all their finery and official decorations. The President of India, who is also the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Armed Forces, takes the salute. 12 contingents of the paramilitary forces and the police forces also take part in the grand event.
This year, India will celebrate its 72nd Republic Day. Usually the parade is a grand affair, but it has been toned down this year due to the pandemic. There is no chief guest this year, making it the first Republic Day parade without a chief guest in 50 years.
धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला हो, धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हर मौसम रंगीला, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा. There are 9 tableaus from the ministries, including the Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Electronics and IT, Ministry of Ayush, IB and the Broadcasting Ministries, 6 from the Defence Arm, 2 from the DRDO and 1 from the BRO.
चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया.
On Republic Day, national awards such as the Veer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Paramveer Chakra, Kirti Chakra and the Ashok Chakra are given to the defence personnel. During the beating retreat ceremony, the song Abide by Me is played to mark the end of the 3-day ceremony, which is performed by the 3 bands of the Indian Armed Forces, the Indian Army, the Indian Navy and the Indian Air Force. Happy
Republic Day.
Vande
Vande Mataram.
A very good morning to all the teachers and the students present here. Firstly, I would like to thank the principal for giving me this opportunity to speak. As we all know, we are gathered here to celebrate the 72nd Republic Day of our nation. On this special occasion, I would like to talk about our Class 12 experience amidst the pandemic. Apart from studies, we all had great expectations for Class 12 regarding sports, entrepreneur, culturals and all other fun stuff that every 12th grader has experienced so far. But unfortunately, we are in a situation where we missed almost everything and were just stuck in our homes looking at laptop screens, eating, sleeping and then repeating it. But on the lighter part, we must also accept that our batch had a newer experience and will be remembered by the future VMites as a unique batch. Personally, as the SPL, I am in a position where I am unable to bring about the changes that I intended to. But I still have my speech sheet and hopefully I'll pass it on to the next SPL and try to ensure that it happens.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hello everybody, I am Divya Sriram from 11B
And I am Baji Sriram from 11C.
and we are a part of the Darpan team. Teachers are like candles. They consume themselves to give light to others. A teacher is for life. Although they will never truly have to say goodbye to teaching, it is now time for VM to bid farewell to 4 sincere teachers, as well as one very dedicated member of the sub-staff.
5 quintessential parts of the VM experience, including 4 teachers, the kind-hearted alchemist, enthusiastic Jayadevan sir, captivating Bhagyamis, and passionate RJ chemists, as well as one member of the sub-staff, the extremely helpful Visalam Aya, will retire this year. Our Darpan team has been fortunate to be able to interview these incredible teachers, and the videos of these interviews will be shown soon after.
To all of these wonderful people, we'd like to say that retirement only means it's time for a new adventure. All of us here at VM will miss you a lot, and we will always remember your immense contributions.
Thank you, and wishing you all the very best.
Sar Kalaiselvi, or RKMS for short as we know her, has been teaching for over 34 years, never without a pep in her step, and has always managed to teach without letting a single dull moment pass. The pre-class meditation and stretches always helped to lighten the mood, and even brought in a few laughs from the more rambunctious students, which, to be honest, was all of us in RKMS's class. Throughout the year, she would always encourage us to draw more and have fun with art. And at the end of the year, she would take us down to the ground to observe the different types of soil, or the weathering of rocks, or whatever, or maybe even ask us to draw on the pillars or floor with chalk. All in all, it's been an enriching experience for us with RKMS.
Nice, thank you.
Since you've been teaching in VM for over 34 years, what will you miss most about VM when you're retiring?
Interaction with the young minds. That's the most important one which I think.
Okay, Miss, obviously the biggest thing of 2020 was the whole virus that's going around. So what was your quarantine routine like during the whole year?
Oh, learning about new technology, then video call with friends. That's more. I learned a lot, both from the students, mostly from the students and from the friends too. And the routine work what everyone does. At times listening to the music, walking in the terrace and admiring the nature, the birds, and little exercises whenever I have time, free time.
Yes, could you sum up your overall experience in Vidya Mandir and your relationship with your other teachers?
I never felt any fatigue in my teaching, nor any confrontation with any of the teachers. And everyone was affable to me. I got all the positive spirits from everyone.
Miss, did you have a best friend in the staff room?
Yes, always. The whole Sweet 16 Plus is best friends. The Sweet 16 Plus, which I'll be missing a lot.
So how did you manage to keep all the classes so light-hearted and entertaining all the time?
Yes. As soon as I enter the class, I tell them to meditate for 2 minutes. Meantime, both of us, both the students and I, both of us will calm down. Both vice versa. That happens in all the classes. Okay. Before introducing the topic, I will talk to them generally about any important news. Okay. Then I start the topic. If there are some in each and every class, they'll be restless, isn't it? I used to call them when they're very restless, no? I will calm down first. Then I will call them, Madam, Sir. I think you would have observed, isn't it? Both of you would have observed their classes. I used to call them Madam. Then immediately they'll calm down.
Miss, could you describe a few fun and memorable experiences with students?
Yes, lots of memories. With a short of time, I'll say 1 or 2. They used to call me sometimes Amma instead of calling Miss, an auntie sometimes. Suddenly in the class, no, instead of saying especially when I'm taking attendance. They used to call me auntie suddenly. And one student told me to change the size of bindi. I used to wear, I like big bindi. He told me to change the size of the bindi. That's it. Next,
Okay, Miss, initially, why did you want to teach geography?
Passion. I love nature. I love environment. That's the main thing. Nature loving. I don't like technology much. But I like it. At present, this year, I liked it too much. Because all the students and the teachers, everyone were guiding me.
Miss, what are your post-retirement plans?
It's I have in your mind, but I'll tell you one thing. To travel around Chennai, Tamil Nadu, then India. Then I would like to teach the slow learners, especially. Not for me, slow learners I would like to teach. That's the most thing which I would like to do.
This is like a standard question, but what's your advice to all the VM teachers and the VM students and the future teachers?
Especially the students, whatever we do with sincerity. 100% the result will come out. Thirst for knowledge should be forever. It's very important in life. Whatever we do 100% involvement should be there for the future teachers. 100% involvement is there, definitely the result will come. That's even what we do it should be 100% involvement in teaching or whatever we do. Listen to music, that's more important, which makes your mind calm. Listening to music, both for the students and the teachers. Wish you all the best.
A teacher always known for his enthusiasm, exquisite paper craft and inspiring videos that he shares with us during our free hours of school. Jayadevan sir, fondly called G by all of us, retires from VM this year, having completed 31 years of service.
A classroom with G is known to be the epitome of energy, and today we have the pleasure of interviewing the man himself. G, to start with, where did you draw inspiration from to become a teacher?
Very simple, from a teacher. Because I saw a very talented, very good teacher, at the same time very jovial teacher. It is two aspects. These both attracted me terribly. Moongfali means what? Some verkadala. Okay. Something we have a bitter thing, then we will take the good one and eat. Get to compensate that one. Okay, like that, duty always, even though it is valuable, it is somewhat bitterness is there. Yeah, a cover will be. So if you finish in time, then you can enjoy all the tastiest that verkadala, later till it get over, you can enjoy.
G, could you please share the experience of your first day in VM?
It is a very cool place because I came from coolest place, Coimbatore. I came to Vidya Mandir, where the very natural, where the so many trees are there, 7 to 1, cool time to work. Okay, that was a teaching, my favorite profession. Okay, I'm doing. And the first day, that side, so cool. Actually, all the what is that? Those people, the sub staff, put water everywhere. So that cool, and the trees, green trees, and in that my favorite profession, teaching. And they told it is a very famous school. I entered in a famous school. So it is so that these are all making me like very much this surroundings. Means me like people get 5 o'clock and get ready and come to school and finish 1 o'clock and go nicely, tightly eat and sleep.
G, so were you a scout during your school days? What drew your attention to train the VM scouts?
I am not a scout at all because I don't know what is scout at that time. I was in NSS. NSS means some social service. I like service in any type of service. That is why I wanted to join in force, either military or some force. The next target is teaching. Teaching, however, I was there. I joined teaching, then only I went to that interview. Jump from a lot of height, you'll get a certificate. but we should be alive now. They are making us all rounder. So this variety I liked very much because I could do many things. I joined to take training in SBY school. So when there I got training, they gave certificate. He is good at a scout. That is certificate I have to give here, produce where in the Vidya Mandir also.
You seem to be a multi-talented person, teaching, scout training, origami, and the list goes on. What other hidden talents do you have in store with you, G?
Other hidden talent, if I have given chance, I would have seen my own talent in hundreds way, but I didn't get chance. Education and go to the work and earn money. So in chance, if you are given your talent, you will know. I used to draw very well. Playing in games, kabaddi I like very much because I won. Unknowingly, our team won one after another. Then football. And the children, the other team members are, yeah, you be a goalkeeper because you are jumping nicely. Origami, kirigami, in that internet. I saw that one and I liked somewhat that Purva Janma Sambandha, that made me, you learn this and this is, you have connection, some connection.
Teachers, how do you manage to create such a friendly vibe?
Be the other side. See, if you are my student, okay, I should see you. Whenever you feel inconvenient, your face will tell that you are inconvenient. Okay, so I should come to your level and I should talk with you. They will ready to open their weakness.
G, finally, what would you like your students to take from their learning experience with you?
Okay, everywhere, see, I want to be service minded because service is a very good thing, noble thing. They say the dharmam talekakam. What is this dharma? The good thing. Any good thing is dharma. Person will be happy. Free person will be happy. So everybody must be free. Choice, particularly choice, you are getting a lot of choice in a school. Every choice must be used by student. And that also Vidya Mandir is so flexible. Okay, I saw that flexibility is so much. It gives a free mind, fearless mind, and do more and more. Every student, please try in school. This is the right time because you are full of activeness, full of energetic. Use somehow in a positive way. The school is the right place, holy place to do all those things.
Having joined Vidya Mandir in 1986 to teach history, VB Miss has spent her time with us not only teaching but has also dabbled in being the head of the Heritage and Amusement Clubs as well as the costume designer for the Sanskrit play Inter Alia.
She has introduced many of us to the democratic aspects of our society as well as debunked the ambiguity of history.
The teachers know her as an avid quizzer and Saudi connoisseur.
We students know her as a strength of facts, yoga aficionado, and importantly, a wonderful teacher.
Join us in our conversation about her 35-year-old stint at Vidya Mandir.
Hi, Miss. Good morning, Miss.
Morning, Miss.
Hello. So, VB Miss, you have completed 35 years in Vidya Mandir. So, as a young girl, did you expect yourself to be where you are now?
I never even thought of becoming a teacher. For the fun of attending an interview, looking at an ad in the newspaper, that too with the post office box number, I just applied it to the school. Actually, the interview went on for 1 week, I believe. I didn't even inform my parents. On a old envelope, I cut it and I wrote my resume and I just posted. It was so nasty. I never even thought I would be called. But after that, my father actually called the school asking them whether they could call me some other day. Because it was a Thursday, my family, they felt that Thursday was not an auspicious day for them. But even then, our school was so polite. They said, sir, 1 week the interviews are going on. Today is the last day. You're asking us now. You could have asked us earlier, they said. Okay, still I continued. I came here. It was fun. But I was interviewed only for the primary. But after some time, I was getting a letter asking me to take for the higher classes. They just asked me whether I could come at 7 o'clock. I continued 35 years in the school. Yes.
Miss, what is your favorite memory that you have in Vidya Mandir?
My favorite memories are, okay, without any prior knowledge, prior thinking. I just entered the school. My luck or bad luck, my first batch, 8th standard B section, I still remember the batch of notorious bunch, especially boys. They used to tease me asking varied questions. Okay, most of the times I used to get irritated because boys were new to me. And that too in the co-education school with the girls, I really used to get irritated. There was Rangamani Miss. She was our senior in the department. Okay, I went, approached her. I told her, Miss, I think I may not be able to continue in the school, I said. She said, why are you so worried? No, the children are testing me too much, I said. No, they're just, because you are young, they're just going to tease you. If your subject knowledge is strong, they slowly start respecting you. Be adamant and be firm, she said. I have confidence, you will continue. You carry on, she said. She was really a good guide, tutor. She even told me how to control the children and everything. So that was the old building in our where now we have the basketball nets. She was sitting in the staircase, and I just approached her. She gave me confidence. I still remember that. I never. Otherwise, if she had not given me the advice and if she had not given me the confidence, definitely I would not have continued here at Vidya Mandir.
Miss, what other hobbies do you have apart from chronologically naming the Mughal emperors in your sleep?
See, history actually I never thought of taking. Basically, I was a science student. Just like how it happened entering Vidya Mandir, it so happened accidentally I took, okay, from science I shifted to history. I don't know, but though I was interested in facts and all that, okay, I started just like that, I started remembering, and slowly more and more, once it became my profession, I started gaining more and more interest, and I started collecting information, remembering and all that. I'm more interested in tailoring, stitching and embroidery. Okay, I used to, at the age of 6, my mother taught me, because finding we are interested, she taught us. And the most difficult, normally people say, the Kutch embroidery, I used to do it at the age of 8. I had so many embroidered saris and all I used to wear to school, and all that old group of teachers, they used to admire all those saris and all that. Basically, I'm very much interested in embroidery.
Miss, what is your quarantine routine?
Okay, initially it was very boring, it was lethargic, and I couldn't understand what to do and all that. Everyone was sitting there at home and all that. So children being there at home, out of compulsion, by force, I had to experiment various cooking dishes. I had to start cooking and all that. Otherwise, I'm not much interested in cooking. I was forced to, and after some time I started, as I told you, I'm interested in stitching. I started stitching my sari falls and all that. Of course, after a very long time, after 35 years, I even ventured into blouse stitching. Okay, and once the school started, online classes, everything was new. I was forced to learn all this technology, online classes, making the PPTs and all that. That made us busy. So, but still, it is not like the usual routine. Though at 8 o'clock we start the online classes and all that, it made me slightly lethargic, that that brisk work is not there.
Okay. Miss, what are your words of advice to Vidya Mandir?
Not only for Vidya, any students, any youngsters, I would like to tell, respect your mother. Okay, Matru Devo Bhava, that is, but not mother alone. Respect your parents, respect your mother tongue, respect your motherland. And I just would like to advise you all, wherever you go, wherever you study, wherever you settle, please take care of your parents. Because I've seen and I've been hearing many of these old people being sent to the old age homes and left orphan and all that. See, I do not want to hear anymore, and I just would like to give my advice. Please take care of your parents. Don't degrade them. Don't degrade our culture. Respect our culture. Our culture is the rich and varied culture. All the values are embedded in each and every action of ours. That is my advice.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you for your time.
Welcome.
A teacher teaches from her heart and not from the book. Good morning. Today the Darpan team will be interviewing a teacher who has grown quite close to our hearts, RJ Miss. The spark in her voice when she speaks in class betrays her deep love for the language. 11 years later, and after countless different batches of students, we can still see her teaching everything with a glow, from the most basic elements of grammar to the most complex ilakyam. Come what may, every student has been included and incorporated in Rajalakshmi Mrs. class.
The eloquent words and elegant acting of students in the Tamil play all come to life with a touch of her magic. RJK Miss has become an essential cornerstone of our school's Tamil department. Her phenomenal way of summarizing voluminous portions into mere pages containing the essence of the lessons has always struck her students with awe. And when students step out of her classroom, they are equipped with knowledge to take the exams head on. Her invaluable experience has, of course, been the golden thread holding together the magnificent tapestry of her teachings. Miss, ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட்க்கு அப்புறம் நீங்க வித்யா மந்திர பத்தி எதை ரொம்ப மிஸ் பண்ணுவீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க?
என்னோட ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், அதுவும் என் தமிழ் குழந்தையில ரொம்பவே மிஸ் பண்ணுவேன். என்னோட டீச்சர்ஸ் ரொம்ப ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃப்ளோர் ஸ்டாஃப் டீச்சர்ஸ். ஏன்னா என்னோட கஷ்டம், என்னோட சந்தோஷம் ரெண்டுத்துலயுமே நான் ரோல்ல சாஞ்சின்றது என்னோட டீச்சர்ஸோட தான். அப்புறம் ஆனுவல் டே டெஃபினட்டா மிஸ் பண்ணுவேன். அண்ட் பிடிஏ நிறைய விஷயம் இருக்கு, மிஸ் பண்றதுக்கு நிறைய விஷயம் இருக்கு. குறிப்பிட்டு சொல்லணும்னா இந்த 4 சொல்லலாம்.
ஸோ மிஸ், உங்களுக்கு லைக் யூனிக் ஹாபிஸ் மாதிரி நிறைய இருக்கா?
எனக்கு சமைக்க பிடிக்கும் ரொம்ப. நான் நிறைய எழுதுவேன். ரொம்ப எனக்கு பிடிச்ச விஷயம் என்னோட தமிழ் தான். எனக்கு அதை தாண்டி ரொம்ப நான் யோசிச்சதே இல்லை. என் தமிழ் தான் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்.
ஸோ மிஸ், நம்ம வயசு இருக்கும்போது தமிழ் டீச்சர் தமிழ் பத்தி தான், தமிழ்ல தான் எதமோ ஆனோன்ட்டு ஆசைப்பட்டேலா, இல்ல வேற எதுவுமே உங்களுக்கு மனசுல வரலையா?
நான் என்னுடைய காலத்தை ஒரு நிறுவனத்துலதான் தொடங்கினேன். என்னுடைய எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ நான் ஒரு கம்பெனியில தான் நான் முதல்ல வேலை செய்ய ஆரம்பிச்சேன். ஆனா எனக்குள்ள எனக்கு அந்த தமிழ் ஆசிரியரா இருக்கணும், தமிழ் படிச்சிருக்கோம், ஆசிரியரா தான் இருக்கணும்னு அதுக்கப்புறமா தான் தமிழ் என்னுடைய அந்த கல்வியியல் சொல்லுவா, பிஎட் எம்எட் எல்லாம் முடிச்சுட்டு தமிழ் ஆசிரியரா 30 வருட ஆண்டுகள் என்னுடைய தமிழ் ஆசிரியர் பணி தொடர்ந்தது. 30 வருட காலமாக தமிழ் ஆசிரியராக நடுவண் அரசு பள்ளிகள்ல தான் நான் இது வரைக்கும் வேலை பார்த்திருக்கேன். ஆனா நான் பார்த்த பெஸ்ட் ஸ்கூல்னா அது வித்யா மந்திர்.
மிஸ், ஸோ இவ்வளவு வருஷமா எப்படி தமிழ்ல உங்களோட இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் கொஞ்சம் கூட குறையவே இல்லை?
என்னோட குழந்தைகள் தான், என்னோட ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் நான் இன்னும் தமிழ் படிக்கிறதுக்கு காரணமே. ஏன்னா அவளுக்கு எப்படி இன்னும் ஈஸியா சொல்லி கொடுக்கலாம், என்ன மாதிரி அவளுக்கு சொன்னா புரியும். அதனாலதான் என்னோட குழந்தைகளால் தான் நான் இன்னுமே தமிழா படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கேன்னு சொல்லலாம். அது இயற்கையாகவே அமைந்தா இருந்தாலும் என்னோட தமிழ் குழந்தை அவளுக்கு சொல்லிக் கொடுக்க இன்னும் எப்படி எளிமையா சொல்லி தரலாம் அப்படின்னு என்னுடைய ஆர்வம் குறையாம இருக்கிறதுக்கு காரணமே வித்யா மந்திர். அதுல டவுட்டே கிடையாது.
ஸோ மிஸ், இது உங்களோட லாஸ்ட் இயர் வித்யா மந்திர்ல டீச் பண்ணது. ஸோ இந்த லாஸ்ட் இயர் ஆன்லைன் இருக்கு. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு அதை பத்தி எப்படி இருக்கு?
முதல்ல ரொம்ப எப்படி இதை நடத்தும் அப்படின்னு ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு கேள்விக்குறி என் மனதில் எழுந்தது. எதற்காக இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு நமக்கு ஒரு சூழ்நிலை ஏற்பட்டது என்று மிக வருத்தமாக இருந்தது. ஒரே ஒரு நாள் வகுப்பு எடுத்த பிறகு என் குழந்தைகள் தான் என்னுடைய அந்த நம்பிக்கையை அதிகப்படுத்தினாங்கன்னு சொல்லலாம். அப்புறம் எனக்கு இப்போ ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸே எனக்கு ஹாப்பியா எடுத்து அதுலயே நான் இருக்கலாமா, அதுவே எனக்கு பிடிச்சு போயிடுச்சு. பிடிக்காத ஒன்றை பிடிக்க வச்சது இந்த ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ்ன்னு சொல்லலாம். அதுவும் என்னோட ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்லலாம். அவ கவனிக்க மாட்டா, அவ பேசுவா, அவ அதை பண்ணுவா, இருந்தாலுமே அது அந்த வகுப்பு எனக்கு அவ்வளவு பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவேன். நிறைய கத்துண்டேன். மெயினா அதான், நிறைய இந்த ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ்னால நிறைய கத்துண்டேன் நான். அதுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி சொல்லிக்கிறேன். வித்யாமந்திருக்கு நான் வித்யாமந்திரில தான் கத்துட்டேன். 50 வயசுக்கு மேலதான் கத்துக்கவே ஆரம்பிச்சேன்னு நான் சொல்லுவேன். புதுசா எனக்கு என் குழந்தைகள் தான் கம்ப்யூட்டரே சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க. என் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் தான் எனக்கு எல்லாமே சொல்லி கொடுத்தான்னு நான் சொல்லுவேன். நான் அவளுக்கு டீச்சரா, அவ எனக்கு டீச்சரானா கம்ப்யூட்டர்ல அவாதான் எனக்கு அவாதான் குரு.
மிஸ், அடுத்த ஜெனரேஷன் ஆஃப் டீச்சர்ஸ்க்கு ஏதாவது அட்வைஸ் வச்சிருக்கீங்களா?
இந்த பள்ளியில என்ன பண்பாடும் நாகரீகமும் கடைபிடிக்கப்பட்டதோ அதையே நீங்கள் கடைபிடித்தாலே போதுமானது. இந்த பள்ளியிலே என்ன பரம்பரையா என்ன செய்து கொண்டு வந்திருந்தார்களோ அதை கடைபிடித்தாலே போதுமானது.
இந்த ஸ்கூலுக்கு துணித்தெருல நான் வந்தேன். சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. நான் ஸ்கூல்ல இருந்து வேலை செய்யறதுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. நான் 2006 வேன்ல போனது இன்னும் சந்தோஷமாயிட்டேன். இன்னும் சந்தோஷமா அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் கேஜிக்கு 2012 போனேன். அதுக்கு மேல சந்தோஷமா தான் இருக்கேன். நான் இன்னுமே சந்தோஷமா தான் இருக்கேன். வீட்டுல இருந்து வந்ததுலேருந்து வீட்டுல எந்த கஷ்டம் இருந்தாலும் ஸ்கூலுக்கு வந்தோடனே எனக்கு அந்த கஷ்டம்லாம் மறைஞ்சி நான் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கிறேன். இருந்துன்னா வரேன். இனி இப்பயும் சந்தோஷமா தான் இருக்கேன். அப்போ நான் ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட் ஆனால் எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம். இந்த ஸ்டாஃபுங்களையும் இந்த மிஸ்ஸுங்களையும் இருக்கிறவங்கள விட்டுட்டு போகிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். குழந்தைங்கள விட்டுட்டு போகிறதுக்கு எனக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாக இருக்குது. எல்லாரையும் விட்டுட்டு போகிறது எனக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாக இருக்குது. ஏன்னா இவ்வளோ நாள் சந்தோஷத்தோடு இருந்துட்டு இப்போ நம்ம கிளம்புறமே அப்படின்ற ஒரு கஷ்டம்தான் கண்டி. மற்றபடி எனக்கு எந்த இதுவும் இல்லை. நான் ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட் ஆகிட்டு வீட்டுக்கு போனாலும் என் பேரன் பேத்திங்களை சந்தோஷமாக இங்கே எப்படி என் குழந்தைங்கள சந்தோஷமாக வச்சுக்கிறோம் அதே மாதிரி என் பேரன் பேத்திங்களை நான் சந்தோஷமாக வச்சு சந்தோஷமாக இருப்பேன்.
சரி, எத்தனை வருஷமா இருக்கீங்க?
23 வருஷமா இருக்கேன். இது 24வது நடக்குது.
உங்களுக்கு இந்த 24 வருஷ சர்வீஸ்ல உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது ரொம்ப நீங்க என்ஜாய் பண்ணி சந்தோஷப்பட்டு ஞாபகத்துல இருக்கிற ஒரு இன்சிடென்ட் ஏதாவது சொல்லுங்க.
என்ஜாய் பண்ணி தான் இருக்கேன். இன்னும் புதுசு இல்லை. அப்பத்துலேருந்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணி தான் வேலை செஞ்சுருக்கேன். ஆனால் 2006 நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணேன். என் வேன் போயிருந்தேன். வேனில் பசங்க கூட நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணியிருந்தேன். 2006 வேனில் போகிறதுனால நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணி நல்லா சந்தோஷமாக இருந்தேன்.
சரி, நீங்கள் இப்போ இங்கே இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் ஏதாவது உங்களோட மெசேஜ் உங்களோடது என்ன? வித்யாமந்திரில்
சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கேன். வித்யாமந்திரி எனக்கு எல்லாம் முடிச்சுட்டு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸும் சரி டீச்சர்ஸும் சரி எங்களோட வேலை செய்கிற என் டீச்சர்ஸும் எல்லாருக்குமே நான் சந்தோஷம் எல்லாரையும் சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கேன்.
இல்லை, கூட உங்களோட வேலை பார்க்குறவங்களுக்கு என்ன மெசேஜ் சொல்ல விருப்பப்படுறீங்க?
நான் எதோ சொல்லுவேன். என்ன சொல்கிறதுனே தெரியல. என்ன பேசுறதுனே புரியல எனக்கு.
சரி, இப்போ ரிட்டையர் ஆன பிறகு நீங்கள் என்ன உங்களோடது என்ன செய்யலான்னு இருக்கீங்க? வீட்டில்
நான் பேரன் பேத்திங்களை பார்த்துட்டு வீட்டில்.
ரொம்ப நன்றிம்மா.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।